Hello, my name is Alex Ryals. I'm the Chief Technology Officer for Pepperweed Consulting. I'd like to chat with you for just a minute about the reasons why you should look at the HP NNMi platform. You know, I talk to lots of customers. NNM happens to be one of the longest running products Pepperweed has implemented. We've been doing it for around 15 years. And as I go around talking to customers about why they should upgrade from 7 to version 9, the NNMi platform, I generally hear a couple of concerns, and I want to address those today. I want to talk about 5 specific areas that HP has improved upon in the NNMi platform that make it something you should take a look at. First of all, operator efficiency. The NNMi platform is completely web-based. No longer do we have access to that motif GUI if you played with the Unix version of NNMi 7 in the past. With the operator efficiency is enhanced not only by the web interface but by breadcrumbs all over the interface. We have access to configure the entire solution through the web instead of having to edit config files now. The operator can get access to tools at his disposal to manage the network. Operator efficiency is a key element of the NNMi platform. The second area is scalability. Scalability is key because we can now reduce the number of network node manager servers required in your environment. We can manage up to 25,000 network devices with a single NNMi server. If we have a global network configuration, we can manage up to 65,000 devices within your enterprise. Very powerful. It'd be nice to get rid of some of those extra servers. The third bullet point under why we should take a look at NNMi platform is in virtualization technology. Not only can you install NNMi in a virtual machine, which certainly saves on physical resources, we can also now discover virtual technologies. Not only technologies like VRRP and HSRP, but we can also take a look at discovering your VMware infrastructure. Imagine having on the same network map as your routers and switches your VMware ESX servers. We can see how the network is impacted by virtualization outages. Very powerful capability. The fourth bullet point is correlation. One of the things NNMi is known for is event correlation, root cause analysis. In the NNMi 7 platform, HP had 2 separate databases to keep layer 2 and layer 3 data. Made it very difficult to correlate events. Now with NNMi 9, we have a single database that has all information about the discovered network topology as well as performance information that we can pull out for reporting purposes later on. That allows us to run advanced correlation techniques like dampening, like deduplication, pairwise correlation, and many others that NNMi comes with. Correlation is all about reducing the amount of event traffic in your browser so the right engineer is able to look at the right message at the right time. And the final item that I think is almost the most important benefit of upgrading to the NNMi 9 platform are the smart plug-in technologies. HP has roughly 7 smart plugins that add extra value to NNMi. 3 of those smart plugins deal with performance. Performance for metrics gathers metrics around your network interfaces in your nodes. We have access to a traffic performance reporting, so we can take a look at NetMon probes and SFlow probes and look at what type of data is traversing your network. We also have access to IP quality assurance smart plugins in our Quality Assurance Spy. I would encourage you to take a look at these performance metrics. They all report up into a web-based reporting solution, very powerful, very flexible, allowing you to generate your own custom reports if you need to. We also have 3 content smart plugins. IP telephony is very powerful, supporting for Cisco, Nortel, and Avaya. We also have access to other content smart plugins like MPLS networks and multicast networks. Not only can we visualize those networks, we can also gather performance data and report on them too. And finally, there's a smart plugin called Network Engineering Toolkit. Based on the HP Operations Orchestration product, we include a runtime version of that solution to run automation whenever we detect problems in your environment. Imagine discovering an issue on a router and being able to automatically run a script that can log into that router and run the same commands you know that engineer is going to run when he logs in later. We could pipe the output right to the event so that engineer can look at the output when they discover there's a problem without having to log into the router themselves and run a bunch of commands. Very beneficial. That smart plugin also has the ability to export your topology to Visio. We can also take a look at SNMP trap analytics and make sense of the thousands of SNMP traps I know you get every day. So there's lots of benefits to the NNMi platform above and beyond what NNM 7 provided. I highly encourage you to take a look at it. As we go implement this solution in our customer base, we're finding that customers receive an ROI very quickly, and we can usually do an implementation in as short as a week for simple implementations and just a couple of weeks for the larger sites. There's a lot of benefit of NNMi. I would encourage you to check out the HP website for more product information, and check out Pepperweed's website too. We have implementation packs available called E-Paks. E-Pak is evolution, and evolution is just our secret sauce, our best practice way of implementing the NNMi solution. We have small, medium, large, and they're fixed price, and they allow you to get the return on investment I know you deserve from the solution. So check out pepperweed.com for more info about NNMi E-Paks and how to roll out that product. Thank you very much.